Hi all. Today in this video I am going to discuss the polynomials. Let's see what the polynomials are. The polynomials. A polynomial is a function of the form px is equal to an xn, an minus 1, xn minus 1 until up to a0, where a1, a2, a3, those numbers are real values. N is the degree of the polynomial. The highest power of the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. An is the leading coefficient of and the polynomial, and a0 is the constant term. As an example, p of x, if I write 2x square plus 3x minus 1. What is n? N is the highest power is 2. The coefficient of the highest power is 2. That means the leading term is 2 and the degree of the polynomial is 2, as well as the constant term is negative 1. Okay. Let's see what the polynomial value is. If the polynomial is p of x is given 3x square plus 2x plus 1, p of 1, what is p of 1? P of 1 is the value when x is equal to 1. That is, p of 1 can be written as 3 times 1 square plus 2 times 1 plus 1. What is it? 3 plus 2 plus 1. It is 6. This is the polynomial value when x is equal to 1. Okay. Now let's go beyond the equating of the polynomials. If the two polynomials are equal to each other, here the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. The left hand side is a quadratic polynomial. Also right hand side is a quadratic polynomial. Therefore, the leading coefficient a1 is equal to a2, b1 is equal to b2, c1 is equal to c2. The corresponding coefficients, that means the coefficient of the x square is equal to the coefficient of the x square of the other side, as well as the coefficient of the x is equal to the coefficient of the x of the other side, then the other terms as it is. Okay. Let's go to the type of the polynomials. Types. Here, if the degree is 1, it is called the linear. Normally we write mx plus c. This is the expanded form of the polynomial. Degree is 2, it's a quadratic, ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. We have to tell that. If it is a cubic, this can be written as the degree is 3. ax3, a3x3, a2x2, a1x plus a0, where again, if it is a cubic equation, a3 is not equal to 0. The other one is quartic, the power 4 or the degree is 4. This one also we have to say that a4 is not equal to 0. a0 is the constant term, the other corresponding coefficients of the other terms. Okay. Now let's go to the division of the polynomials. How do we divide polynomial by a polynomial? Okay. Here, when dividing the polynomial px, then it is called the dividend. By the polynomial dx, this is called the divisor. As an example, if I want to x square plus 2x plus 1, if I want to divide by x plus 2, what is this? This is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay. Not only the polynomials, we can write it, we can say it as the normal numbers. If you want to divide 5 by 3, what is this? 5 is the dividend and the 3 is called the divisor. If you write 5 divided by 3, we know that if you want, we can go to long division 5, 3, 3 times 1, 3, 2. There are two, another two terms, this is this one and this one. Actually, this is called the quotient, Quatent. This is called the remainder. Now it says, okay, when we divide a polynomial by another polynomial, we obtain two new polynomials qx. Qx is called the quotient and the rx is called the remainder. Actually, this can be written as px divided by dx can be written as qx plus rx over dx, where qx is the quotient, rx is the remainder. It's similar here. Then we know that we have divided 5 by 3. 1 times 3, 2. That means 5 divided by 3 can be written as 1 plus 2 over 3. Left hand side is equal to the right hand side. It's similar to the polynomials. Okay. Let's start how to divide a polynomial by another polynomial. I'll start with a linear polynomial divided by the linear polynomial. Here it is given that 6x plus 13 has to divide by 2x minus 3. You have to write like this: 6x plus 13, 2x minus 3. First one, think about the leading term of this one, 6x divided by the leading term of this one, 6x divided by 2x. 6x divided by 2x is x get cancelled, 3. We have to put 3 to here. 3 times 2x, what is it? 6x. 3 times 3, negative 9, negative 3. Now we have to get the difference of this in 6x and 6x get cancelled. 13 minus 9 is 22. In this case, quotient is 3. That means 6x plus 13 over 2x minus 3 can be written as 3 plus 22 over 2x minus 3. This is the final answer. This is the quotient. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. Okay. Now let's go beyond. Let's go to the next example. It is given that a quadratic 2x square minus 8x plus 3 is divided by x plus 2. That means this one is a quadratic. We have to divide by a, what is it? It's a linear function. We will try to do that. 2x square minus 8x plus 3 divided by x plus 2. Now, what is the leading term? 2x square divided by x. 2x square divided by x is 2x. You have to write 2x here. 2x times x is 2x square. 2x times 2 is plus 4x. Now we have to subtract. Negative 8x minus 4x is negative 12x plus 3. Now negative 12x has to divide by x. Negative 12x has to divide by x is negative 12. Use negative 12 to here. Negative 12x minus 24. 3 minus 24 is 27. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. This can be written as 2x square minus 8x plus 3 has to divide by x plus 2. The final answer is the quotient is 2x minus 12 plus 27 over x plus 2. Okay, this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Okay, now let's go to the next example. It is a cubic equation. It is a cubic polynomial. A cubic polynomial has to divide by a linear polynomial. Not only the linear polynomials, we can divide it by the other polynomials. It's not a problem. Now we will write it. x3 minus x square plus 3x minus 5 has to divide by x minus 2. The leading term is x3. x3 divided by x. What is it? X square. I have to write x square here. X square times x is x3 minus 2x square. X square times this one times this one. Now we have to subtract. Negative x square minus minus means this is x square plus 3x minus 5. Now x square divided by x is, what is it, x. You have to put x to here, x times x, x square minus 2x. This one, 3x minus minus 2x is 5x minus 5. 5x divided by x is 5. 5 times x is 5x minus 10. Negative 5 plus 10 is 5. Actually, the remainder is 5. Quotient is x square plus x. X square plus x plus 5 is the quotient. The remainder is 5. Now let's go to the synthetic division. Let's see what the synthetic division is. Synthetic division. This is a shorter method. We can replace the long division by synthetic division. Let's see what it is. Here, the first step, you have to write down, this is the same example that we discussed earlier. We have to write down the coefficients of the given polynomial. 2, -8, 3. Yeah, please add 0 to the leading coefficients. This is 2. Now we are asked to divide by x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to -2. Okay, please write -2 to here. -2 times 2. What is it? It is -4. -4 plus 8. -8 is -12. -2 times -12. 24. You have to multiply these things right here. Then you have to add them. What it is? It is 27. Now we do have 2, -12 and 27. The last number, it is the remainder. It is the remainder. This is the constant term. This is the coefficient of the x. That means 2x minus 12 and remainder is 27. Okay. Now let's go to the other example. x3 minus x square plus 3x minus 5 divided by x minus 2. We have to write down what the coefficients 1, -1, 3 and -5. Add 0 to here, the leading coefficient 1. X minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. Please write 2 here. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus -1 is 1. This one is there. 2 times 1 again 2. 5. 5 times 2 is 10. If we add them, it is 5. This is the remainder. Then the x square plus x plus 5, the remainder is high. And I'll do one more. X to the power of 4 plus 3x to the power of 3 minus 2x square plus 5x minus 6 has to divide by x plus 2. Let's do that. Then what are the coefficients? Coefficients are 1, 3, negative 2, 5, negative 6. Then we have to add 0 to here. The leading coefficient, it is 1. X plus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to negative 2. We have to write negative 2 here. Negative 2 times 1, negative 2. If we add them, 1, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. If we add them, negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 4 is 8, 13. Negative 2 times 13 is 26. What is it? It is negative 32. This is the remainder. Then the quotient is x3 plus x square minus 4x plus 13. Remainder is negative 32. However, we have to keep in mind, we can apply this synthetic division when we divide the polynomial by a linear expression. Now I'll stop this video. In my next video, I'll discuss more questions and other theorems related to the polynomials. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel to watch my other videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.